Hey, I'm Dustin with Create Realty Partners, brokered by eXp Realty. And if you're thinking about selling, I am really glad that you found me. And here's the truth. Not all agents approach selling in the same way. This just isn't a sign in the yard type situation, it's a strategy. We're big believers in storytelling, from the high quality videos that we do for walkthroughs to creative marketing that actually connects with as many buyers as possible. We make sure that your home stands out and shines online and in person. My husband Matt is a broker and we run this business together. And between the two of us, you get deep market knowledge, strong negotiation skills, and a team that genuinely cares about you. We treat our clients like family, and we're right there with you through every showing, every offer, and every what does that mean kind of situation and moment. And if you're looking for a real partner, someone who's going to handle the details while keeping you in the loop and at ease, then let's connect. We would love to help you move forward with confidence.